As we've been going through this tutorial, you've probably asked yourself what these two databases are about, and I'm sure you already have a very good guess on what they are about. So let's look at the menus. So for our sample website, we already put a main menu in there. Depending on your theme, you might have other menus, right? So menus are the things on a website that are like on top, right? Or main, for example, main menu could be on the top, home, contact us, and other things you can click on top of a website. And some websites also have a footer menu, right? So a menu of links you can click in the footer. So that is dependent on your theme that you picked. The initial theme is the minimalist theme. It doesn't have a menu, but if you picked a theme with a menu, then you can edit that menu here. And as you can see, we have a main menu, and that has two menu entries, home and contact us, right? And let's look out in those menu entries. So I'm going to go to menu entries, right? So we have one menu entry that is part of the main menu, right? So if you had footer, let's say, let's create, let's link to create a page. Footer. Let's say we also have a footer menu, right? By the way, I just created a footer menu from this page, from the menu entries page, and now it shows up here. So just so you know, like it's cross referencing the other database, and you can also create entries in other databases if they are cross-linked. But yeah, so now we also have a footer menu just for example purposes, right? So if we have here first footer entry, right? And then we can link that to my new page, for example, right? So it doesn't have to match. In the example, it matches. Like, so we have the page that is called home, and we have the menu entry that is called home, but it doesn't have to match, right? So I can also name this contact, right? Instead of contact us, like the page. And then you would have in your top main menu, you would have home and contact, and they would link to the home page and to contact us, right? So you can here choose whatever the menu entry is called, and then here you can choose to which page it should direct the user when they click on it. And you can also determine weight, right? So that just means the order that they show up. So right now I put home at 1 and contact just randomly at 9, so I can have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I could have other menu items in between those, right? But this is just to ensure that on the left you have home, and then on the right contact, right? I can also switch it up. I can also say, here 1 and here let's say 2, right? Then it would be different, right? It's automatically let's sort so we actually see. So now it's sorted by weight, so it would be contact and then home. So that's just the significance of the weight. But let's move that back. Here's 9 and this 1, because home should be the first item in the menu, right? So that's how you edit your menu entries. I hope it's not too complicated. If so, let us know. We'll explain a little bit more about it. But yeah, so here you can create your menu entries and your menus if you have a theme that supports those menus. Thank you for watching.